You are going to love the 2021 Challenger. Rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, universal garage door opener, trip computer, compass, heated front seats, fog lights, heated steering wheel. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.